piece of shit.
I don't know how high we're going, because I was under the impression, maybe it's just flush with the top and then we're backfilling.
Yeah, look it down there.
You said you had tape.
I put it here with the
Ah, pinches.
They take everything. Why take everything?
What? So there's a cart with this stuff in the shop, though.
I don't know, maybe in the car, basura.
No.
YouTube. That's good. Hey, look, believe me or no, look. Yeah, he got it. What do you think? You see how I do it?
I'm gonna use gravel to sharpen all my knives at home now.
Oh no, trust me, this is good, you know. You believe me or not, we sharpen.
Uh-huh. With a piece of gravel.
Yeah, come on.
Adrian almost stabbed you.
Yeah. Quedó bien pegado.
No para el estadio,
Este video. Hey.
Sí.
Sí.
Sí. Después se puede dar vuelta si queda volteado.
You got it.
He can play over there.
Se la levanta un poquito.
It's okay, you're good. Señor con la cookie, Levanta el tapete. Ya,
Como querían seguir echando.
Esto que dejar no sabe. Vamos a poner este aquí, echar aquí así. Aquí, lo vamos a amarrar. Ahí, dóblale aquí.